right here in this packaging, supposedly, and I hope is the biggest grail for most people, a YuNg BrAtZ tee. Let's get into it. Bro, I'm so hyped. And I'm talking about price again.
You're so hyped.
I'm so freaking hyped. Oh my god, it's white. That's a great sign. Oh my gosh, it's cropped. That's an even better sign. Man, he really just shoved this in.
Just rip that shit out.
Oh my god, he got the graphic to be perfect, bro. Like perfectly oh my god, dude.
Open it up.
Dude.
Let's see the back.
Bro.
Let's see the back.
Hold on. Let's go. It's got the tag.
Let's see the back.
Let's see it. Hold on, I'm doing this.
Okay, here's this. Does it look good?
Let's go. It's exactly what I was hoping for. Let's go, dude.
Not bad, not bad. Should fit me.
Let's go.
It's pretty good condition. Is it legit?
Check the tag out. Check the tag out.
Legit?
It's got the tag. Check out this print.
Legit.
Dude.